Let's unbox my new order from Lawrence Hope.
Lawrence Hope sells the most stylish and functional medical IDs. A medical ID is an engraved piece of jewelry that displays medical information that's important for EMTs to know in case of an emergency. You can also see the medical symbol that we all recognize from the doctor's office.
I got their ActiveWear Fit silicone bracelet to wear out on walks or to yoga classes, and it is so cute and so comfy.
Then I also got this bracelet and ID tag for everyday wear. I love that this bracelet is interchangeable, so I can buy more bracelets and tags to match my medical ID to all my outfits. Plus, with their stretch styles, I can still mix and match without having to clasp my bracelet.
I am literally so obsessed with everything I got. I love that I can make a fashion statement with my medical IDs. And now I'll have a peace of mind wherever I go, and I'll look great too. Go to lawrencehope.com today and find your perfect fit.